Next, we go to the acute sciatica. This pain occurs along the urinary bladder meridian from the buttock to ankle. The patient stands in bent position as standing erect worsen the pain. So sa treatment, patient lies on one side with the painful side above. We use the point UB24, UB28, UB54, and GB30 are given with electrical stimulation, 5 to 10 Hertz, continuous frequency, intensity, comfortable for the patient. The points is UB37, UB40, and UB60 are given with balanced needle technique. Ear acupuncture for sciatic nerve, kidney, and Shenman points. When local needles are removed in 20 minutes, point small intestine 7 on the side of the pain is given with vibration for up to 2 minutes. The pain reducing steadily. If the sciatica was on the gallbladder meridian, the local point should have been on the gallbladder and 1 point vibration on triple warmer 5.